In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Barclays card machine. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your new Barclays card reader and how to take different kinds of payments. First, I do want to make a quick disclaimer and say that for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Barclays Card Flex mobile card reader, but keep in mind that this process can mostly be applied to every other model of the card reader. If you have a different model, I highly recommend that you take your time to go to their website and find specific instructions for your model, but for the most part, this guide will work for all of them. First, after you unbox your new Barclays card reader, you should be able to turn it on and, by looking at the screen, follow the on-screen instructions. Start by turning on your card reader, and in there decide if you want to connect it via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or mobile. Doing Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and mobile will ensure that you get the best connection possible. Once you are done connecting it and setting up Wi-Fi by using the touch screen, you will be able to include your merchant number. This is the information that you acquired when you applied for a Barclays card machine, and as long as you include valid merchant number on screen, it is going to reboot, and by the time it turns on back again, you will be able to trade using the Barclays card machine that you acquired. All that you have to do now, after you get the installation successful receipt printed off, is to start making new transactions. You can use the on-screen menu to set them up, include the amount, and anytime a card is included or swiped, it is going to get detected and you can finish any transaction that you make using this Barclays card machine. Like I said, depending on your specific model, you might have to do additional steps to set it up, but for this Barclays card Flex machine, it is super simple to do as long as you have a merchant number at hand. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Barclays card machine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.